In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We'll walk through how to format your references with a clean, professional hanging indent, the style most citation formats expect. A hanging indent keeps the first line of each entry aligned with the left margin, while any additional lines are indented, making long citations easier to scan. Start by opening your document and navigating to your References section. Make sure your list is typed out the way you want it to appear, with each entry on its own line. It's easier to format once the text is already in place. Next, highlight exactly what you want to convert to a hanging indent. That might be your entire references list, or just a few entries. Be careful not to include the section heading or any blank lines above or below the list. A clean selection helps the formatting apply precisely where you need it. With the text selected, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, hover over Align and Indent, then choose Indentation Options. This opens the panel where you control detailed indentation settings. In the Indentation Options panel, look for the Special Indent drop-down. Click it and select Hanging. This tells Google Docs to keep the first line at the margin and indent the remaining lines in each paragraph or entry. Now choose how much to indent. Most academic styles use a ½ inch, so 0.5 is a reliable choice. You can type the number directly or use the up and down arrows to adjust. Depending on your locale, you may see centimeters instead of inches. The same idea applies, just pick the standard amount required by your guidelines. As you set the value, you can glance at your document behind the panel to get a sense of how it will look. When you're happy with the indent amount, click Apply. Your selected entries will update immediately. You should now see the first line of each reference aligned to the left, with any wrapped lines neatly indented by the amount you specified. This improves readability and aligns your document with common style expectations. If anything looks off, double check that only your references were selected and confirm there aren't extra line breaks within an entry. Consistency is key. Use the same indent for all entries so the list looks uniform and professional. That's it. Your references now have proper hanging indents. Save your document and you're ready to share or submit with polished, compliant formatting. Thanks for watching and